Hey guys, I'm back, and today, if you can notice, my dad isn't here. I'm all by myself. I'm going to my first car meet all alone. I'm not going to a night meet or anything. I'm just going to South OC Cars and Coffee, where I've been a million times, but I've never gone alone, and I've also never driven on the freeway by myself, and it's like a 45-minute drive. So this is definitely going to be interesting. I'm going to go get my Starbucks first, and I'm kind of nervous, but I think I'll do good. So across from the Starbucks I always go to, there's this car meet, and I never wake up early enough to go. And today I'm here. There's a lot of classic cars. This is nice. Wow. Guys, I decided to park up for a minute because I found the Chevy SS. Oh, okay. I'm gonna do a little walk around. I never wake up early enough to go to this meet. Hey guys, I'm gonna do a little walk around. I just spent 10 minutes. I parked up next to SS, and I had a group of people come over to me and were asking questions about the car. They asked me to pop the hood. So that was nice. They gave me a little confidence boost. But I should start heading over to South OC soon. So I think I'm gonna go right now. Guys, I got a little lost. I almost got off at the wrong exit 5 times. But I made it. Hey guys, I made it alive. I parked different than where I usually do because I was getting stressed out. I was gonna get here early. That way I could not stress out about parking, and then I went to the other Cars and Coffee, and then I got here right at 9. So I just parked wherever I could that I wouldn't stress out. Dude, me and my dad want one of those so bad. There's some cool cars. Guys, I'm trying to find a friend. I'm scared. Interesting. Guys, look, they're all matching. That's so cute. I found my friend. The Mercy I just showed you, that one crashed in Monterey, and they brought it here. Nice.
I got nothing going on.
Guys, which one would you take? They're all really pretty. I love the spec. The green with the... I want it. Another GT3 RS. Oh my god, look at the light. I like that light. Ooh.
It's a pop light.
Ooh. Ooh. Guys, I also like this color. And I like this car. And what the heck is this? My friend is trying to take pictures, but there's way too many people in his way. This is really funny. Wow. I need an SS. Nice. What the freak? What the freak? Mr. Cool Guy.
It's me, it's not that.
Whoa. There's some cars. When? I don't know when they would. I can't speak. I give up. Damn, that's really pretty. Should I buy it? How much? Oh my god, guys, there's cars. Why is there so many people? Oh my god, look at the dog. That dog is adorable. Guys, I'm on my way home and I'm doing my usual beach drive and there's so much freaking traffic. This is actually insane. I'll let you guys know if I see some cool cars. There was a really cool right-hand drive car. There's a Subi right there. Another Porsche right there. There's definitely some cool cars just driving on PCH. I'll try to record since, I mean, we're not really moving too much. Hey guys, we made it to Crystal Cove. If you were one of those people that was driving 30 in a fucking 50, I literally hate you, because why are you going 30 in a 50? That is dangerous. There's such thing as going too slow, and people like that should not have their license, because that's nuts. But let's look for cool cars. So we got an M6 right here. Oh, I see a Porsche. Okay, hold on. This guy's backing out. Damn. Okay, give me a sec. We got a GT3. Nice. A little Ferrari right here. We got another Porsche. We got, oh, a Brabus. Okay, nice. We got a F87 STO. Oh, that's clean. Hold on, I'm gonna get a quick picture on my phone. Low-key, this parking lot stresses me out so bad because people kind of suck at driving, and the same guy almost just hit me twice. So, I kind of just want to get out of here. I don't think there's anything good in there. Usually when I stay, I park up in there and walk around. Oh, R35. Nice. Okay. Let's see. We got Urus. We got a few Ferraris. Okay. Hey guys, I decided to come drive by Joey's Newport Beach because last time I was here, I saw, what's that one Kona said? Vader or Thor. I can't remember which one. But I saw one of them there with a bunch of supercars. And now I like driving by it because hopefully there's some cool stuff. Oh, we got a GT40. I love Ford GTs. That's dope. Okay. And we got a few AMG GT, like that one, and the STO. Those three, I know, we're all at Cars and Coffee. I told you guys, this is like my car spotting route. I just go down the beach, I go to Crystal Cove, and then I come to Joey's, and they always have some cool stuff. Okay, now it's time to go home. I'll let you guys know if I see anything else cool on the way, but probably not because there's a lot of traffic. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'm going to the Chazzy Dog meet later, so stay tuned for the video from that because it's going to be crazy.